1 million years ago, the world was a very different place. Vast forests stretched across the land, giant animals roamed freely, and the climate was wild and unpredictable. Early humans, our ancestors, lived in small groups, constantly fighting to survive in this harsh environment. In one such group lived a young man named Kano. Kano's tribe lived near a great river that provided fresh water and food. They had no villages, no tools made of metal, and no written language. Instead, they used sharp stones, sticks, and their knowledge of nature to protect themselves. Every day was a challenge. The sun was hot during the day, and the nights could be freezing cold. Kano woke up before dawn to help his tribe gather food and prepare for the dangers that awaited. One morning, Kano and the others set out to hunt. They tracked footprints in the mud and followed the sounds of birds warning of nearby animals. Hunting was not easy. It required patience, teamwork, and courage. The tribe needed meat to eat, but they also collected fruits, nuts, and roots to keep healthy. Sometimes, they would find honey from wild bees or eggs from bird nests. Every bit of food was precious. Kano held a sharp stone spear. It was heavy, but it was their best weapon. The tribe spotted a group of wild deer near a clearing. Quietly they crept closer, careful not to make a sound. Suddenly one deer spotted them and ran off. The others quickly followed. The hunt was over for the day. Kano felt disappointment, but he knew they had to keep trying. Back at their camp, a clearing with simple shelters made from branches and animal skins, the tribe rested and shared stories around the fire. Kano's grandmother told tales of the stars and the spirits that protected them. These stories gave hope and strength. But danger was never far away. One night while the tribe slept, a pack of hungry wolves approached. Their glowing eyes shone in the dark. Kano woke up to the sound of growling. He grabbed a burning branch from the fire and shouted to scare them away. The wolves retreated, but the tribe knew they had to be more careful. They built stronger shelters and kept fires burning all night to keep predators away. Life was not just about fighting animals. The weather could change suddenly. Heavy rains flooded the river, and strong winds knocked down trees. The tribe had to move quickly to higher ground to stay safe. Kano also watched the changes in seasons. When the leaves turned brown, it meant colder days were coming. The tribe gathered more food and kept warm by the fire. They wore animal skins to protect themselves from the cold. Despite the hardships, there were moments of joy. Kano's sister found a colorful feather and gave it to their mother as a gift. The tribe danced around the fire, singing songs that echoed through the forest. One day, while exploring, Kano found a smooth piece of flint. He showed it to Nara, the tribe's healer. Nara smiled and used the flint to make sharper tools. This discovery made hunting and cutting meat easier. Slowly, Kano and his tribe learned to use fire better. They cooked their food, which made it tastier and easier to digest. They also used fire to clear bushes and protect themselves from insects. Kano understood that survival was about more than just strength. It was about working together, learning from the world, and respecting nature.